Hi guys, it's autumn. Speaking of autumn, it's maroon. Today I'm gonna make maroon cream from the ones I picked up in the nearby forest and put it on the cake. So let's make it. Living in a mountain area, there are tons of chestnuts around my house. No tools to pick them up, but all you have to do is to step them with tiptoes. I went back and forth 3 times. Wash chestnuts first. Boil them in a microwave. Let it rest overnight to make it easier to peel the skin off. Make a cut on chestnuts to scoop them out with a spoon later. This is sober work but important. I should have used a kitchen knife. I used the scissors because I wanted the chestnut being connected to the remaining skin. Boil for 10 minutes. After cooling down, drain the water. Scoop them out of the skin. A bit disappointed, so I carelessly changed the way. I started to peel the skin off before boiling. Peeled ones has increased, but I forgot about them. I returned to the previous way. Scooping out after boiling was faster in the end. I'm using these ingredients: boiled chestnuts, cupcakes, herb liqueur previous resident left behind. The maker says it has 14 types of herbs. This one was made in 1995. It is 25 years ago. This one is also former resident has left behind. Put the chestnuts and liquor into the blender. The blender is made in 1995 and smells strange in use, so I always take the plug off after using it. Put whipped cream, add the second cup of liquor. Add more whipped cream. third cup of liquor. Add more cream. I think I succeeded to adjust the hardness, but I must refer to something gross here. Here they are. Go back to the jungle. This is not your world. With a mayonnaise bottle, suck the cream out of the blender. I decided to cut the bottom. The cream was quite sticky. I managed to scoop it out. It's already dark. I couldn't finish it today. I can see the goal. I got motivated. It didn't come out. Heat in the microwave. I decided to remove this vent-like object from the opening. Moving remaining cream to the opening part. I noticed that making a spiral shape after making a cone-shaped part is much easier to make a Mont Blanc-like shape. I chose white one with blue flower. I'm making decorations. There is no need for heating them because they are not for it. Put them on cupcakes. I think this is the best one. Most horrible one. So, let's eat! The moment I took one bite, rich flavor spread in my mouth, from herbal liqueur and chestnuts. It really went well with coffee. Having poor Wi-Fi connection back then, it was almost impossible to Google search for recipe. But the former resident of this house has left herb liqueur behind. It really has rich and strong flavor. Thanks to him, I managed to make delicious chestnut cream this time.